police report, and it might
You
not.
don't know that.
I
Go with your.
Okay. Okay.
All rise. 14A District Court for County of Washington, State of Michigan is now in session. All those having business for the court draw near. The Honorable Judge Simpson presides.
You may be seated. Ms. Lundy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Lundy for the people. Here at this time, people who have any conflict between this honorable court and the office of the public defender. People do not believe that any conflict exists, make the waiver for the avoidance called out.
Mr. Brown.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Did you enjoy your days off? I don't even understand it. I was born in Michigan, so it didn't even faze me, but go ahead.
But hey, I know where you're coming from. Your Honor, I should say, never noticed my Maryland colors here. And I'm feeling a little something.
I actually did notice that, but I had to figure that was an accident dressed in a dark. But go ahead.
Well, Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender. Your Honor, we likewise do not believe that there is any conflict in this honorable court hearing these matters. If a conflict were to arise, we would waive such conflict so that this honorable court could hear these matters.
And the court, for its part, also does not believe there's a conflict either in Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. Court does call the case of the People versus the Marion Markowski Smith.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Mikowski Smith is coming up to the podium. Please state your name for the judge.
Good morning, I'm Mikowski Smith. Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm hoping to set this case for preliminary examination. Discovery is complete. I'm also hoping to address bond as well.
Your Honor, we would also include that on the appropriate.
Okay. Surprise. People have their witnesses available on the 4th.
Your Honor.
I think that's my date. Preliminary examination in this matter in person will be set February 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Fresh Hour. As to bond.
Well, I don't know what consent as bond argument is going to be. I'm not happy about that, but Mr. Mikowski Smith comes before Your Honor. He's a very young man with no history of assaultive offenses. He lives at home locally. He works a 40-hour-a-week job at Slim's Chicken. I know after I'm done speaking, Ms. Senda is going to get up and read the police report, and it might
You
not.
don't know that.
Go with your. Okay. Nevertheless, Mr. Mikowski Smith, if the court is gracious enough to consider releasing him, he will go home. He will stay home, with the exception of going to court, going to work, and that's it, Your Honor.
Your Honor, at this time, we will be asking that the defendant's phone privileges be revoked. He's been contacting his mom and telling her to contact the victim, saying things like, I got put at 10 in the morning, they already told me, and if I get convicted, it's a felony myself, but I definitely need to talk to them next day on that. He also says, right now today, you gotta let her know, if she, oh my God, when we get off the phone, I need you to call over there immediately. And then he says, you make sure what's her name knows not to come at all. Basically, nobody for okay, I'm good. So try to let that be known. Just try to let that be known so that it's contact the victim from third parties.
And I doubt any of that was in the police report, so she didn't read it. Response.
I have no response here.
Motion for bond reduction is denied. Phone privileges are revoked. You can ask for a hearing if you'd like. Thank you.
Your Honor.